Finally, after months of people requesting it, I have completed the NinjaTrader bridge and it is live on QuantCrawler. So as of today, right now, watching this video, you can log into Ghost and set up NinjaTrader for any connection that you have on there. I'm going to be very respectful, the best I can when I say this. If you have not traded NinjaTrader and it's just something you want to do, this may not be the best time to get started because this setup is not something that is going to be you're just going to log in, click a button, connect, and you're trading on NinjaTrader. OG NinjaTrader users know how to set this up, so this is for you. If you are brand new, please take some time, educate yourself on how NinjaTrader works, and then give this a go. Now that I got my disclaimer out of the way, you are logged into quantcrawler.com/ghost, and this is what you see. This is my test account, so I have nothing set up on here at all in any way. The first thing you are going to want to do is you can either click right here, connect one for brokers, or come up into the settings. I am going to go through the settings in case you've already been on here and you already have setups. You're going to click the settings icon in the top right. Once you get here into the settings, you're automatically going to be put on the general tab. You want to come over to brokers. Now you have all 9 brokers that are integrated with Ghost, and you want to click NinjaTrader 8 and just click connect. It's going to pop you down right here. And is what you want to do is right click and then open link in new tab so you get the full walkthrough of everything that you need to do to get this set up. So I already have it open and it looks like this right here. Now, how it works, your alert fires into Ghost exactly like any other broker. For a NinjaTrader routed ticker, Ghost hands the order to the QC connector add-on running inside NinjaTrader, which submits it natively, market or limit entries with full stop loss, take profit, bracket orders, yada. So we are going to scroll down right here. And this is for all the people that are new to NinjaTrader. Orders only execute while NinjaTrader is running and connected. This is not a cloud-based software where you log into NinjaTrader, set it up, then you can turn your computer off. With NinjaTrader, you have to leave it running around the clock, or you have to have a VPS with it running all the time. If NinjaTrader is not up, your trades will not execute. It just simply won't happen. Right here, it says if you close NinjaTrader, queued orders wait and expire. Serious users keep it on a VPS 24/7, or they have a dedicated machine that's running it. Before you get started, make sure your NinjaTrader 8 is installed and connected, and you have your accounts already synced. Today, in this video, I'm going to be setting up a SIM account. So as long as you have a SIM account, which everybody does on NinjaTrader, you can use that as your lead within QuantCrawler and Ghost. So now this is what you want to do. You want to click download QC connector and it's going to automatically download this for you and you can just save it to your desktop or wherever you want to. You just need to have this where you know where it is. Now, copy QC connector add-on into documents/NinjaTrader 8 bin custom add-ons. Then in NinjaTrader, go from there. So I'm going to show you how you do this, but your setup and routing, depending on where you have NinjaTrader actually installed, may be different. You basically just need to find your NinjaTrader install file. And then from there, if you've used NinjaTrader, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I don't really need to explain this. But if you are brand new and following along and just wanting to figure this out, I'm going to do it real quick so you can see how it works. So as it says right here, documents/NinjaTrader, I am in my documents. I then want to go to NinjaTrader. I then want to go to bin. I then want to go to custom. And I then want to go to add-ons. Within add-ons, you drag and drop in the download that you did right here from QC Connector. And once it's in here, you're all set. You don't need to do anything else at that point. This file is where it needs to be to connect Ghost to NinjaTrader. This is the add-on for NinjaTrader. You're done right now. Now, the next step is we need to get into NinjaTrader. Okay, so I logged into NinjaTrader. I have my simulation accounts here. I have Sim 101 and then I have demo 5635556. So let's try and get our screen set up correctly here. In NinjaTrader, open new and then NinjaScript Editor. So is what we're going to do is we are going to go new and then down here to NinjaScript Editor. I know there's other shortcuts and way to do this, but I'm setting this up for brand new users. So NinjaTrader users know exactly what I'm doing and where I'm going. You can skip this part of the video if it's just simply not for you. Once you are in here and the script editor opens, you really don't need to do anything except press F5. That's what it says on there. It pulls all the information from these add-ons. So right here, if I open this up, you can see right there is the QC connector. And down in the bottom left, it's compiling and it just finished while I was talking. So right now, the connector add-on is done for the most part. So we've completed step one, and there were 3 items to do in that. We downloaded the QC connector, we copied it into our NinjaTrader folder, and then we went into the NinjaScript editor and compiled it. Or we could have just restarted NinjaTrader, but I just went in and compiled it because we were here. So here's the next step. Connect NinjaTrader and QuantCrawler. You have to get your key on the brokers page, which is this one here. Go settings, brokers, NinjaTrader 8. Click Connect NinjaTrader. So let's just do this in order. We are going to click Connect NinjaTrader to get your key. You are going to confirm that you are only logging into your own account. You cannot account share. You cannot log in as any other user except for you. I track this. I will find it and I will speak with you about it. So now this says connection created. Copy your key now. It is shown once, and that is true. Once I click this right here, I have 30 seconds to see my key. When that 30 seconds is up, this key is gone and it is completely offline. And if you misplace the key, you just simply will have to redo all of this and regenerate a brand new key. So I'm not going to click it yet. You shouldn't either. We have done the step we needed to where we connect NinjaTrader, we click the key. Let's go back to our walkthrough. Now this says here, paste your key into the add-on. So in the NinjaScript editor, find the line marked paste your key here. So within our NinjaScript editor, we are going to expand the add-ons folder and we are going to double click QC connector add-on, and then you will see the actual code right here. Again, the line you're looking for is this paste your key here, and it looks just like this right here. So when I open up the editor, you can see this line right here, line 30, paste your QC key right here. So let's go back over to our actual key, and we are going to click to view this. Now, hides in 30 seconds. We are going to one-click copy, and then we are going to come back into NinjaScript Editor, and right here, we are going to highlight this and we are going to paste in our key. We very quickly can come back and make sure that this connects QCNT8, the last couple characters, 44B6. My copy and paste is complete right now. I'm happy with this, and I've done what I needed to do to get my specific key in here. I don't know why I feel like I have to say this, but like if I don't say it, someone somewhere is going to be like, well, you didn't tell me. Do not ever give this key to anybody, please. This key is specific to you. I will never ask you for the key. Nobody on my team will ever ask you for the key. This is your private key for NinjaTrader. If somebody has this, don't just that happen. Don't let anybody ever have this key. I just had to say it because the old I don't say it, well, you never told me. Any whatever. So we have done this, and then the last part of step 3 is to press F5 to recompile once we've loaded this in. So we're going to come back in here, we're going to press F5, and you see down here in the bottom left, this is recompiling and saving, and it's done with this key in here. Now at this point, we can close this out entirely. The next step is add the accounts you want to trade. So back on the brokers page, under your connection, type each NinjaTrader account name you want to trade, and you have to do it exactly as it appears in the control center or the routing won't work. So you can see right here that this populated because NinjaTrader is running and everything is synced together on the bridge. It's called Aaron's desktop. That's my computer. It's green, it's online, and there's 0 accounts added. So when we go back into NinjaTrader, I'm going to add this account right here, Sim101 and demo 5635556. If I were to do that, this is the name I need to put in so Ghost routes directly to the account I'm specifying. You can add an unlimited number of accounts. So this is the most manual part of the setup, and it's character specific. So capital, lowercase, 1, all capitals. You can't shorthand this and just speed type it all lowercase, or this is not going to work. So this is character specific. I can't stress that enough. I'm going to add my Sim101 right now. So I will just come in here and do Sim101, and I'm going to click add. You can then see that account jumped up here and populated. And just because we're here, let's do the demo account as well. I mean, why not? Should, right? Demo 5635556. I'm going to put this on my other screen. And right here, we're going to go demo 5635556. And we are going to click add. I now have 2 accounts added to my NinjaTrader connection. And that is both of these accounts right here. And here's another side note. It's in step number 4, but it says, again, like I already alluded to, it has to match character for character. That includes dashes, digits, capitalization. We only trade the accounts you add, so your dead/old accounts never get touched. So if you don't link the account in here, we will not trade to it, and they are character specific. I know, change the record, Aaron. We're moving on. The next thing you need to do is route a ticker to those accounts. So your setup of NinjaTrader is done. NinjaTrader has 2 accounts. It's now linked in Ghost. So if you come over to your tickers setting and you already have one set up, like I have an YM test, I can click edit settings. In my accounts section, since I only have NinjaTrader linked, I would just click this drop down and there's my Sim 101 and there's my demo. I then click Sim 101. I go through the Ghost setup and however I do my routing, get my webhook pointed where it needs to go, all of that. And then my Sim 101 account is saved right here. And then we can go back to the dashboard and you can see right here my broker connections NT8. I have 2 accounts. There's my drop down. And I can even edit the name of my account if I'm like, oh, dang it, I didn't capitalize the O in demo right here. I can click the pencil icon and I can retype the name and save it. Instead, I'm not going to do that because it's set up correctly, but you can edit your account name right here if your routing isn't working. Now, at this point, any webhook that is associated to link with this ticker right here is going to route to this account. Now, it doesn't matter what accounts you put in here. So if you have Tradeovate and you have Project X and you have NinjaTrader, you can link all of those. And the point of this is that you can get a fan out to NinjaTrader, a fan out to Tradeovate, and a fan out to Project X all at one time through one singular alert that has a webhook pointed at this ticker. So after a very, very troublesome NinjaTrader 8 has been working, it is live now. The beta testers absolutely killed it, helping me get this running. And this is your 100% complete start to finish NinjaTrader setup add-on walkthrough and how you can start automating directly any NinjaTrader account on QuantCrawler Ghost, and you can do it right now.